Sanibonani Mzansi, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uthando nesithembu likhulile laze lafika la likhona. Le video le angivamile ukwenza ama-video kodwa ngithi angiyenze ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi hayi impi engibhekene nayo inkulu. Kodwa ngesikhathi siqala uthando nesithembu sishonga ukuthi konke kuzoba kuhle noma kuzoba kubi. Sathi naku thina sizoninikeza isithembu bese niya decide nina ukuthi niyasifuna isithembu noma nisifuna. But into eyenza ngenze le video ukukhuluma ngoMakhumalo. I have never said uMakhumalo lento enishoyo ngaye. Ngithena mina lento ayiphumele ekhaya imhlulela ukuthi ayenze la kaMseleko. Ungeseka lokho. Because nginomuzo omkhulu. Ikona kuphela engikhuluma ngakho. Manje nina senifaka okunye okuningi. Yazi mina noMakhumalo we are right kakhulu and angikwazi ukufaka abanye abantu mangikhuluma ngaye because labo bantu kuyoba sengathi bakhulu kunoMakhumalo. So that will be unfortunate. But I'm simply saying uMakhumalo lento ayiganile emenza boMesisi Mseleko number 3. Meaning kusho ukuthi lento ayiganile fanele ayeseke iyona kuphela engikhuluma ngayo. Angikhulumi ngokunye lokhu nina enikhuluma ngakho and kuyangitshela mina ukuthi anikho esithembweni because kube benisisithembweni benizo understand ukuthi uMseleko ukukhuluma ngesithembu. But ngiyabonga kakhulu konke lokho enikushoyo kuyasilekelela ekutheni sikwazi ukuya phambili and engathi ningaqhubeka njalo nime nje nina besilo nime nina beqhawe nisilekelela ukuthi sikwazi njalo ukuya phambili. Ngaphandle kwenu asiyilutho. Siyabonga kakhulu. Angazi ke noma abantu basasifuna isithembu ngoba kungenza ukuthi sebe decide ukuthi ay isithembu ngisasifuna, isithembu ngiyasifuna. Ayibambane khona.
Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, you have heard Musa for himself. This is after, or he posted this video after he posted a picture between or a picture of him and uMakhumalo, and he captioned it, "I love you so much Mzilikazi, as long as we stand together." And the comments on that post, you guys, people are not happy after what Musa said yesterday, which was, he said something along the lines of the reason why Indayizele uMakhumalo, she has failed at that, and the financial aspects that she brings to the family, it's just a, by the way, it's a bonus, you guys. So people, that has been trending, people have been saying which Musa is cruel, and honestly from my side, I was feeling so sorry for Musa when Umayeni was going off on him, but after he said those things about Makhumalo, I was just like, you know what, I take back my feeling sorry for you. Now Musa is saying to us as a country, guys, with Aibo yini enisephutheni. I was not saying that. I did not say that. Mina bengikhuluma ngesithembu. I was talking about support. Ukuthi Makhumalo left kwaKhumalo to come and support me, and now she's failing at that very thing, which is support, and she's thinking, or she's overcompensating with the financial aspect. Now people underneath that video, you guys, they are not hearing what Musa is saying. They are saying which Musa is gaslighting us as South Africa yonke, you guys. He's gaslighting us, and people are just like, you know what, Musa, just say I am sorry. Just apologize, quick country, because people are gonna keep going back to that. Well, there was no I'm sorry on that video. Musa just goes on to clarify what he meant, but I do think it would have been a wise thing for him to say, you know what, guys, I am sorry that it came out in this way, because let's be honest, guys, fertility is a very sensitive matter, and just the way we were saying about Usne, which is Usne can't go onto a podcast and say something knowing that you are leaving it for the public to interpret. I feel like it's the same thing with Mseleko. He said something that was kind of vague, and when you say something that's kind of vague, you're leaving it up to people to interpret it in the way they want to interpret it. So just for the sake of South Africa, he should apologize, you guys. But for the fact that Musa was replying to some of the comments, that's when I knew what this thing is getting to him. Because listen, normally Musa does not respond. Normally these people who are on reality TV shows, they don't respond to comments like that. They just leave people. So if you see them responding, just know they are touched by what people are saying, and hence he felt the need to actually come and do a video. Now, we don't know if him and Uma Khumalo are fine. Well, according to the video, it seems like he's saying Wuti they are fine. But listen, guys, as a country, we're not fine. All we're going to say, Uguchi Musa, we just hope Uguchi, you guys are already shooting season 9. Because, we need you guys to come back, and we need to hear from Uma Khumalo what's her thoughts on this. Maybe on the show she will clarify that, because she's not a type of person that clarifies things on her social media posts, you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.